Oh, look at this.
Amazingly,
We got a
he
woodpecker.
survives and recovers from his injuries. He still teaches aerobatics today, and his class is filled with students who haven't seen this video.
Look at that. OMG. Look at that. Oh, hi. I thought it was a dog. But this is what I come up to this morning.
Or as they call it in France, the clip royale.
This is so adorable. Hi. We got a woodpecker.
And I will strike down upon thee with great vengeance and furious eye.
You gotta get a new speech, man. The #1 dumbest motorhead is next, so don't go away.
And good morning from South Carolina. It is June 18th, 2023. This is so pretty. Okay, I'm gonna go up close to it. I'm gonna zoom in through my window.
Jimmy John's summer wraps are back for a limited time.
There we go.
Are you selling mansions with bowling alleys, Bull?
A man can dream, can he?
Yes, he can.
But Zillowing doesn't just mean looking at houses.
Now you can Zillow an agent.
Trish.
And you can even Zillow, wait for it, a home loan. So Zillow your beautiful selves into that place you've been dreaming of. Because now, Zillow means everything you need to get home.
Sorry for the background noise.
If you're making a to-do list today, make it easy on yourself. Just write down Reese's. Then write down eat them. And then you're kind of done for the day. Try big cups. They're stuffed with more stuff.
Chevy Silverado has what it takes to do it all. With up to 13 camera views. And the C71 off-road package. Any truck can help you make a living. This one helps you build a life. Chevy
Yes, it done
Silverado.
found some insects. It's okay, baby. He did boo boo boo. I was calling you, girl. I thought that you was the dog.